Come along down these steps as we explore Bryant State Park, Yellow Spring, Ohio. Once you make it down the steps, you find the river. This is where we met our first friend, a blue heron. Got that wingspan. Next, we had to cross a bridge. Here's a view from on the bridge. There are so many cool things to see on our hike. Our crawdad, greedy Mr. Krabs. Couldn't stop to see fungi. There's another one. Left this part, our friends said goodbye. We explored another part of the park, playground and storybook trail. Nice little park with a picnic area. I had to stop for some hot dogs and s'mores. Take a look at the storybook trail. Nice short hike for smaller kids. Read a storybook one page at a time as you go. Even label some of the trees. It was a nice loop to complete our day. Like and subscribe for more.